Welcome to our channel, where creativity meets entrepreneurship. Are you a welder looking to establish a strong brand identity for your business? Well, you're in the right place. A well-designed logo is an essential element of any successful business, and for welders, it's especially important to convey a sense of strength, reliability, and expertise. In this video, we'll take you through the process of designing a business logo specifically for welders. We'll start by discussing the key elements that make a great logo, including color, typography, and imagery. We'll explore how different design styles, such as modern, minimalist, and industrial, can be used to convey the unique values and services of your welding business. Our designer will then walk you through the design process, sharing tips and tricks for creating a logo that's both visually striking and memorable. Whether you're just starting out or looking to rebrand your existing business, this video will provide you with the inspiration and guidance you need to create a logo that truly represents your welding business. So, if you're ready to ignite your brand and take your business to the next level, watch until the end and let's get started on designing a logo that will make your competition green with envy.